Welcome to Expert SCM Supply Chain and Allied Domain Knowledge Sharing session. In this session, let us discuss a term called VATI Analysis. In manufacturing, the design of the process flow is critically important to reduce waste and minimize constraint. When this is done properly, your operation should run as smoothly as possible to ensure that you are able to deliver items on time, minimize inventory levels of WIP items, and reduce cost. In TOC or theory of constraint, there are four primary types of plant that describes the flow of material through the operation: V, A, T, and I. The letter determinant is based on the shape created when drawing the flow of material from bottom page to the top. V plant. The V plant is also known as one-to-many plant. This is where the central operation and raw material diverges into different products. Once the material are past the divergence point, they usually cannot return to previous step without major rework. The challenges for V plants is high number of work in progress and finished goods compared to raw material, tendency to push for large batches at the first operation which may not be supported by downstream operation. A type of plants. The A plant is also known as many-to-one plant. This is where many different raw material are combined and assembled into a final product. These raw material are specific to the final product, and each assembly step can only be performed if all the required material are available. The challenges of A plants includes coordination between all machines and operation can be challenging to execute so that you have all the material required for assembly. Excessive work in progress item, as you often experience shortage of key material. When you have shortage of important material, the assembly cannot be performed. Resources are not utilized efficiently, as you can experience bottlenecks. T type of a plant. The T plant is also known as many-to-many. This is where you have a number of basic items based on assembled into different configuration. The production routing are usually dissimilar for each item, but these are in turn used as parts for different final product. Challenges of T plants include excessive WIP item, as you often experience shortage of key material. When you have shortage of important material, the assembly cannot be performed. You may accrue high inventory cost if you have shortage of key material that prevent assembly. Finally, coming to the I type of a plant. The I plant is also known as one-to-one plant. This is the most basic type of configuration where the product flows through the same sequence to make finished goods. An assembly line is also a type of I plant. Here you have similar number of raw material, WIP and FG item with similar operation runtime at each step. However, the challenges of I plants are high variability in demand can cause the imbalanced workload and low efficiency at times. This leads to poor resource utilization. Thanks for watching. Bye.